Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get Amazon affiliate link for a specific product. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to join Amazon Associate. If you haven't done that already, you just need to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Okay, so it's very easy to do that. You just need to search for Amazon Associate, okay, and you will be able to create or to join Amazon Associate. Here just click on amazon.com associate, and you will ask you guys for personal information, and you will also ask you guys for a website. Now if you don't have a website, you can just add there your YouTube channel, or you can add, for example, a Facebook page. Okay, so it doesn't really matter if you have a website or not. I just added there a YouTube channel and they accepted me. Okay, so after guys you join Amazon Associate, then what you guys need to do next, you want to click on here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this. You want to click on site type here, as you can see. Okay, so after guys you click on tools and site type, as you can see, just move your mouse to tools and click on site type. Now after that you want to click on learn more. Okay, so after guys you click on learn more, it's going to take you guys to this page. Now you just need to scroll down a little bit and make sure you enable this where it says display status, as you just need to toggle it on. As you can see, just enable it. Okay, after it's enabled, make sure you check these boxes where it says get link and share. Make sure you check these. Okay, I'm going to check them. And after that, that's exactly what you need to do. Now what you guys need to do is just need to open your normal Amazon account, and now you will be able to see this bar in the top that will appear in the top of your Amazon account. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to search, for example, for a random product. Okay, so I'm going to search, for example, for dirt bike. Okay, as you can see, for example, I would like to get affiliates or get affiliate link for this specific product. Now you just need to click on the product. Okay, now after guys you click on the product, then you will be able to see this get link button in the top right. As you can see, just click on it, and now you can either choose like a short link. Okay, just right click and copy the short link, which is going to be your affiliate link, or you can copy the full link, which is I don't recommend you guys to do because it's very it looks very unprofessional and people are not going to trust to click on this link. So always go with short link and just right click and copy the short link, and now you can then start promoting this short link, and each time someone clicks on it and makes purchase or buys the product that you are promoting, you are going to earn a commission, and this is the percentage of commission you are going to earn. You will be able to see it in the top of any product you are trying to promote. Keep in mind that some products have higher commission rate than other products, and some products have low commission rate, below like 4%. Okay, so as you can see, this one has like almost like 5%. So that's exactly guys how much money you are going to earn if you promote this product. I hope guys this video helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and see you guys in the next video. Please drop a like, that will be highly appreciated.